Aí sim.
Hey man, hands down is about to be the best remix ever, man. Better than everybody else shit, I'm telling you. Come on, listen. Hey man, fuck your shit up, don't even need a condom. Go to the top, I take you to the bottom. Right now, I should be in an asylum. I control that bitch, what a Poseidon. Put the dick inside the pussy, she wildin'. 1 of July, bitch, I am a lion. Trinity my dog, but his name ain't Brian. If he thinking how, what him up like a fireman. Hit a pussy nigga in the face with a bat. Home run, then run home. Slow down. Nigga thought it wasn't gonna go down. They must think I'm just a hoe now. Rap shit made you cry, make you wanna fucking die. Well, if not, I don't think you want it, so you won't survive. I look at you in your eyes and ask you if you wanna die. Know some niggas who was trapping, flipping patches to survive. I went from Baltimore to the birds. Nigga was sleeping on me, now I'm heard. They talking about we need a link for a verse. Bitch, I don't know you, stop plucking my nerves. Shout out Miss White, I should've fucked you on the gas. Stop playing with that pussy like a motherfucking Xbox. Fill that pussy up like a motherfucking checkbox. You don't told the text stop, you told that caps lock. I went to school, ain't in bark in the streets, but you better respect if you talking to me. And I cannot excuse my provocative speech. This is the work of the mark of the beast. Paramedics might just need some chalk of his speech. Really putting in work, hit my comfortable beat. You niggas tripping, you talking too cheap, better get up your money and comfortable feet. She on my dick like bark on the tree. I'ma fuck that little bitch, make a call from my meat. Now I'm contaminated, but I can't be wasted. I'm feeling like God gave his power to me. YGN in this bitch with a feet and us. Hoes know that I know how to treat a slut, but I can't treat a little cheating slut. I hope that bitch get leukemia. You can't have the password, not to my social media. She be looking at me like a my candy, so I asked her do she wants a Reese's Puffs. Now a nigga coming up quick, hit you with an uppercut quick. And my bitch love to suck dick. Yeah, my bitch love to suck dick. If she don't love to suck dick, then I guess I just can't lick clit. Or I might cut the bitch off, cause I only wanted some lip. And then the motherfucker riddle with a motherfucker, get you all motherfucker, hit you all motherfucker, stick you get a motherfucker, pistol go find a motherfucker, turn him to a make griddle, lay low for a little. Complex nigga, ain't shit I do simple. 100 motherfuckers wanna put me on the verse, 100 motherfuckers wanna put me on the shirt, 100 motherfuckers wanna put me in the hearse, 100 motherfuckers that like this shit, and it's probably for the best or it's probably for the worst. I don't even care, I'm not the one failing. You said you chasing a bag, you're trailing. Made a song about trap niggas, but you running from them boys daily. I do not get it, I do not get it. Who run this shit, nigga? Who run this shit, nigga? Hey, that nigga gon' run that shit, nigga. Hey man, I told y'all niggas this is the best remix, nigga. Hey, stop playing with me, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Hey, let's beat that nigga.